Which foot's your dominant foot?
The one I kick with?
Yeah. The one you're going to be kicking with in the air. Left foot. So watch out, and I'll show you what it looks like first. Alright.
Really?
Okay. So from facing forward, wind up, twist your body, winding up towards the closet. You know, spin around. Left foot.
I was just
Spin
thinking
to the left.
about
Bring your right foot, bring your right knee up.
last Friday.
And when you bring your right knee up, jump off your left foot and bring your left foot in the air. So,
It's possible.
yeah.
Well, I just don't know how they go so fast. I'm thinking that they just.
Do I end up like this or end up folding?
You're going to be ending up.
The spinning stuff.
You're going to be ending up landing like this and then turning.
I'm not.
Like that?
Yeah. So when you twist, you're bringing your right foot up, jumping off your left, and you're bringing your left foot all the way around.
How far around do I go?
You're
I end up
coming.
facing the same direction?
You're coming all the way around.
I just can't do that.
You also want to keep that right foot bent up in the air.
No, I really don't.
Yeah, you really do.
I'm dizzy.
Come right here and try it.
Do it again.
So you twist, spin on, bring your right foot up,
Oh, okay.
keep your right foot in the air, jump off your left.
So I come here.
Oh yes.
Yep. And then you're landing on your right foot.
Okay. No, I'm landing on my left foot. That's what I'm doing.
If you're landing on your left foot, then you're doing a 540.
Well, not really. I didn't get all the way around.
So you twist, bring your right foot up.
Flip it.
Yep, right foot up,
That's really good.
jump off.
Oh my God, that's how it works.
Come up with my right foot,
Yep,
up and
jump
around.
off your left, and your left foot's coming around.
But when can you just show me the landing?
This is kata.
Yes, wait, one sec.